Welcome to CyberPross nmap tutorial installation. First, we update the local package repository lists. This ensures we have the latest information on available packages and their versions before attempting an installation. Next, we check the package information for nmap. This command shows the available versions and confirms that the package exists in our configured repositories. Now, we install nmap using the apt-get install command. The Wi-Fi automatically answers yes to the confirmation prompt, making the installation non-interactive. To verify that the installation was successful, we check the installed version of nmap. This command should now output the version information instead of an error. Finally, we can confirm the location of the nmap executable file. The which command searches the system's path and displays the full path to the installed program. If this helped you, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.